In this video, we will learn comparison of solubility of different salts and solubility rules. In this, first rule is size of ion. Size of ion. In this first rule, 2 points are there. First point, keep the size of cation constant. By keeping the size of cation constant, solubility increases with increase in size of anion. For example, lithium halides, lithium fluoride, lithium chloride, lithium bromide, lithium iodide. Here, size of cation remains constant. So, lithium is common in all these salts. Size of cation remains constant. Size of anion increases. So, anion here it is F minus, here Cl minus, Br minus, I minus. Size of anion increases. So, from the first point, solubility increases. Second example, sodium halides. Size of cation remains constant. In all these salts, cation is Na plus and anion size increases, right? So solubility increases. So in the second point, keep the size of anion constant. In the second point, two cases are arises. Case 1, size of anion is large. So these are the large anions. So by keeping the size of anion constant, solubility decreases with increase in size of cation. For example, 1A group iodides, anion is same, so its size remains constant. Size of cation increases down the group, so solubility decreases. We can take another examples here. 2A group sulfates. Sulfate is large anion and cation size increases down the group. Here Be plus 2, Mg plus 2, Ca plus 2, Sr plus 2, Ba plus 2. So as the cation size increases, solubility decreases. In case of sodium 1A group chlorides, anion is large, cation size increases and solubility decreases. 1A group bromides, here also anion is large, solubility decreases with increase in size of cation. 2A group carbonates, large CO3 minus 2 ion here. As the cation size increases, solubility decreases. Here Be plus 2, Mg plus 2, Ca plus 2, Sr plus 2, Ba plus 2. As the size increases, solubility decreases. But exception is there. In case of 1A group nitrates, carbonates and sulfates, their solubilities are increases with increase in size of cation. For example, 1A group carbonates, here CO3 minus 2 is a large anion and solubilities are increases with increase in size of cation. This is because their lattice energies decreases more rapidly than their hydration energies. Actually, for any group, the decrease in lattice energy is greater than hydration energy, then solubility increases down the group and vice versa. That means if lattice energy decreases more when compared to hydration energy, solubility increases down the group, and vice versa. Next thing is case 2. Size of anion is small. Here F minus OH minus. These are small anions. So by keeping the size of anion constant, solubility increases with increase in size of cation. For example, 1A group fluorides. Anion is constant, F minus here. Size of cation increases, so solubility also increases. 2A group hydroxides. OH minus is a small anion. As the cation size increases, solubility also increases. Similarly, in case of 1A group hydroxides, solubility increases down the group. Second rule is charge of ions. Solubility decreases with increase in charge of ions. For example, NaCl, MgCl2, AlCl3. As the charge on cation increases, solubility decreases. Here anion remains same. Here cation is Na plus, 1 unit positive charge. Mg plus 2 has 2 units positive charge. Al plus 3 has 3 units positive charge. As the charge increases, solubility decreases.